What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. Today we will be covering how to provide liquidity for Xrpt. You can earn up to 80% yearly and you have a chance for the upcoming airdrops. There will be a next wave of airdrops and a lot of them will be for Xrpt stakers and maybe also for the liquidity providers. So I'm making this video today to show you how you can provide liquidity, and this will give you the chance for the upcoming airdrops, and you can also earn 80% yearly. That's a good return. So let's get into the video. If we come to Dexmos, here we can check everything. What are the returns on the Osmosis liquidity pools? You can see the daily return right here. So if we look at the weekly return, we can see for Xrpt, it's going to be 1.5. If you look at the yearly, you will see 80%. Monthly will be 6.5. So this is a good liquidity pool to get in. So I'm going to do this to have a chance for the upcoming airdrops. This was also an airdrop that I covered. This was for Geno stakers, the marble airdrop. This one you can also give liquidity with OSMO and you have a return of 100% yearly. But for now you cannot bunch your tokens, so this can also drop. As you see in my video of yesterday, we had a return of 100% daily. Now it's at 26% yearly. It dropped a lot. There's a lot of volatility. I didn't expect that, otherwise I wouldn't make the video. But yeah, it can happen. You never know that. A lot of people ape in. When I saw the price, it was like at 300,000 liquidity, the liquidity pool, and a day after it was at 2 million. The rewards of the pool dropped a lot, so it's not really worth it. So don't ape in into that one. I will show you this one today that has a lot more potential. This will also give you the chance for upcoming airdrops, and my guess is there will be a lot of airdrops for Xrpt holders, stakers, liquidity providers in the future, because we had a lot of airdrops for Osmos, Cosmos, Geno, and I think Xrpt is going to be the next one. There is going to come a wave of airdrops, so I'm going to prepare myself for this, and I'm going to provide liquidity. I'm going to stake Xrpt, and I'm holding Xrpt. Don't forget to subscribe, because I will be dropping another video about how to stake Xrpt tomorrow. So if you're interested, put on your notifications and don't miss out on that video. So the first thing what we need to do if we want to go to this pool and provide liquidity, we need Xrpt and OSMO. So first I'm just going to buy that really quick to show you how. You just go to Osmosis Zone, connect your wallet, connect it with your Kepler. Once you are in, you just click on to trade. Then you can trade any token that you want. I'm going to do it with a stablecoin USD. So if I take my USD, I'm going to buy Xrpt. I'm going to provide $500 to the liquidity pool. So I will be buying $250 of OSMO. Swap that. Just click approve, confirm it into your ledger. Alright, transaction successful. Now I'm going to buy 250 of Xrpt. Alright, swap. And successful. So now that we have the assets, I just go back to the page, Dexmos, and we click onto the pool. It's pool number 15. Just click onto it. This will get you to the page where you can provide liquidity. This is the easiest way to get there. So now that we are in, you can see right here, add or remove liquidity. So we click onto that. Then we provide just the max. So this, my total liquidity pool must be $500. I provided 250 in Xrpt, 250 in OSMO. So add liquidity. This will be the same. This gives you a transaction. You just need to approve. Approve this, confirm it into your ledger. If you have a ledger or otherwise, you just need to click one time approve. This is just an extra security. If you don't know how it works, just leave a comment and I will make a video about that. Alright, that's done. So now that we have provided liquidity, we need to stake our LP tokens. And now we can choose, are we going to bond them for 1 day? This means you will get this APR instead of this one. Because if you are going to want your tokens back, you need to wait 1 day if you unbond. But if you take this one, you need to wait 14 days, and this one speaks for itself, 7 days. But I will choose 14 days because I'm in it for the longer term and I want the highest reward, so I'm going to choose this one. Start earning. just choose what you want, then choose the max, just click bond, click approve, confirm, same routine. Alright, successful. So now that we have done this, we are successfully earning money. So now, how are we receiving our OSMO? You will get paid in OSMO. If you will go to pools and you click onto pools, you will see right here reward distribution in 21 hours. So every 24 hours, you will receive your OSMO. So if you scroll to the downside, we will see the pool that we provided liquidity to. You can see my liquidity $500 as I just bounded. I will give you an update in the future if there comes airdrops for XRPT, so be ready for that. Tomorrow I will give you an update on how to stake XRPT, so make sure to watch that video because I'm thinking there will be coming some big airdrops in the future. Also still for Cosmos, Osmos, you know, and I will be covering all of them. I have some airdrops ready and I will be dropping them also tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a big day, so make sure to watch. And this weekend I'm going to provide a lot of airdrops, so be ready. I will see you into my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.